Hello, what is your name?
I'm Esmeralda Galeno.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
You have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids you have?
One.
How old?
15 years old.
How long you been working in Hong Kong?
7 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. Singapore and Philippines.
How many years in Singapore?
4 years.
How about in Middle East?
2 years and 2 months.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
7 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Typo.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700.
How many family member there?
3.
How many children?
1.
One. Okay, so how old the kid?
5
5 months.
5 months.
Now, how old is she now?
1 year old.
1 year old. Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
And then?
Hello, ma'am.
When I wake up at 7 o'clock, cleaning the house, start cleaning the house.
And then?
Finish cleaning the house, clean the bottle of the baby, then
And then?
until clean until they wake up, popo, then take care of the baby.
Okay, do you go market?
No.
Okay, so what time you prepare for the dinner?
4 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you cook?
Cook is 6:30.
6:30. Okay, so what time they eat?
7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9:30.
9:30. Okay, thank you so much.